Hey guys, so it is July 12th, 2023, and here I am drinking my Amare Happy Juice again. Once again, I feel completely full of motivation and determination and energy. Now, when I say that, once again, I don't mean like an Energizer bunny. I just have the right amount of energy that I need to get through the day, and I feel completely wide awake. When I don't drink this stuff, I feel so dead and tired all the time, it's not even funny. And it does help my anhedonia a bit by giving me that motivation and determination to get things done, because otherwise I just wouldn't. And I've done something a little bit different with my makeup today. I've put on a sparkly eyeshadow and then some eyeliner. I generally, as a rule, don't ever wear eyeshadow, but I find sparkly colors look really good on me. This stuff is absolutely amazing if you have anything going on with your serotonin or your dopamine levels. I have also started a new project, which I am partway through, that I am super excited about. It's a project I'm going to be selling. Now, I'm not going to tell you what type of project it is or what it is. I'm not going to reveal that until it's finished. But it's a product that should most definitely sell, and I'm going to have it set up as best offer, and it's an item that may end up on a bidding war.